Hi, I'm Mubashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. Has LinkedIn restricted your account for using automation tools? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to submit an appeal to LinkedIn and recover your account step by step. So first of all, you just need to click on URL, and now you can see that this is a URL. You just need to click this URL, and when you will click here, and then this page will be appear. And now this page have a different questions. If you have alternative email, you just need to write here alternative email, and do you use any third-party program or plugin. So if you already use a Dripify, Expendi, Buzz, DuckSoup, so you just need to write here the automation tool name. Do you share a computer or allow someone else to access your computer? If you hire a freelancer or anything, or if your friend log in your laptop or log in your LinkedIn account, you just need to click on yes. And here, please describe your LinkedIn account activity right before you were logged out. And here you just need to write the activity that you already done before restricted your account. You can write any reason. For example, before my account restricted, I was engaging with my network by viewing profile, I was sending connection requests, I was using automation tool, I run a different type of campaign. And after writing reasonable description of your activity that you already done, and then you just need to click on submit. And some tips for submission this form: keep your answer professional and avoid admitting excessive automation. Show that you was not aware of LinkedIn policies and by mistake you use these automation tools, and be sure that you are using a humble tone. Don't be too much you can say that, or not write too much about that you are hyper or different things. In simple tone and in humble tone, you just need to write the description. And now you can see the link linkedin.com/help/linkedin/ask/ts, and now you can see the EPR. So hope you understand. If you have any question related to this, then I'm available here. Thank you for watching this video.